Hello everyone, how are you? I am Ipsita and today we will learn about endocrine system. There are two systems in our body which controls and coordinate the actions of our body. They are nervous system and endocrine system. They both are activated by stimulus. The stimulus can be external or it can be internal. They maintain the homeostasis of our body by controlling and coordinating our body's action according to the stimulus. Okay. So we will focus on endocrine system. So first of all, we should know what are glands. Glands are specialized organ in our body which secretes something. Okay. And the endocrine glands are ductless gland unlike exocrine gland. In exocrine gland, secretions first come into a duct, then to blood vessels. But in case of endocrine gland, secretions directly come to the blood vessels. Okay. So, they are ductless gland and they directly force their secretions into blood and they mainly produce hormones. Example, pituitary gland and thyroid gland, etc. Okay. And what is endocrine system? Endocrine system involves all of the endocrine glands in our body. Okay, and it controls and coordinates our biological actions, mainly involuntary actions, whereas nervous system controls involuntary actions and voluntary actions both. Okay, and endocrine system acts by secreting hormones, and these are the main endocrine glands of our body. And let's move to hormone. Now, what do hormone do? Okay, suppose a situation where you have to draw a picture for your project, but you don't have the ability for drawing a picture and you need your friend Rahul to draw a picture for you. So, you write a letter for your friend Rahul to draw a picture for you, and the postman of post office will deliver the letter from you to Rahul, and after receiving the letter, Rahul will draw a picture for you. In our body, hormones do exactly similar function to the letter. Okay, as we are multicellular organisms, we need a lot of cells for doing a single work. Okay, so coordinations among those cells is very important and hormones do this coordination. See, there are many cells in our body which secretes hormone, and after secretion, hormone comes to blood vessels with the message from these cells. Okay, and the hormone reaches to its target cell. After receiving the hormone only, the target cell will do its function. So, hormones are chemical compounds which act as intracellular messenger and produced in a stress amount by endocrine glands. Now see how do hormone act. Okay. For example, we have taken insulin. After having meal, our blood glucose level rises up because our food particle will be broken down into glucose and our blood glucose level will be increased. And the increased blood sugar level will signal the pancreatic endocrine beta cell to produce a hormone named insulin. And then insulin will come to the blood and travels to liver and any other cells. Okay. After receiving insulin, the cells become able to uptake glucose from blood. Okay. And the cells, by receiving insulin, uptake glucose from blood and produce energy by oxidizing the glucose. And if excess amount of glucose stayed in the blood, then liver cell will uptake those glucose and form glycogen from the glucose. Glycogen is a storage of glucose. Whenever we need glucose, glycogen will be broken down and will deliver glucose. Okay. So, due to these actions, our blood glucose levels become decreased and it reaches the normal level. So, insulin thus maintains our blood glucose level. Okay. Similarly, other hormones do their action in different pathways. Okay, and maintains our body's homeostasis. Hope you have learned of the basic idea of endocrine system and the hormone action. And if you have any question in your mind, please ask me. Okay, and thank you. Thank you so much for watching.